Then we get to number 6. Got a nice Algebra 2 factoring review. A 72x to the 6th minus 50x to the 4th. Let's take a look at our algebra. I feel like chapter 9's got a lot of algebra in it. Can we factor out a number in common? Sure, at least a 2. Then I have a 6 and a 3 and a couple 5s. They don't have a 5 in common, so really the 2 is the only thing that comes out. And then how many x's will they have in common? And we'll say this a lot in this chapter. You take out the smallest you can, the smallest or the largest available, so that x to the 4th can come all the way out. Now if I divide 72 by 2, I get 36. Similar thinking, if I divide x to the 6th by x to the 4th, I subtract the exponents and I get x squared. 50 divided by 2 is 25, and the x to the 4th is all the way out there. So I've got my greatest common factor in front. Now is this a special factor in here? Looks like I've got something squared minus something squared. So that is a good factor for us. 6x minus 5, 6x plus 5. That would be factored all the way. Let's take a look at B. 6x squared minus 17x minus 14. We can put that into our box. So if we make that box, we've got 6x squared and negative 14. And then in our cross, we've got 6 times negative 14 is negative 84. And then our B, negative 17. So we've got to multiply to negative 84 and add to negative 17. I'm kind of looking at this thinking divide it by 4, and if I do, I get negative 21 and positive 4, which adds to our negative 17. So we're good. So we put in our negative 21x and our plus 4x. Looks like we can take out a 3x here, take out a plus 2 here, take out a 2x, and take out a 7. So we can factor it into 3x plus 2 times 2x minus 7. That, for me, would be the only acceptable answer. Now, if you're not using the box and the cross, you can just start by, getting in that habit of what are the factors of 6 and what are the factors of 14, and how can we do some multiplication here to get to the negative 17. And you could probably look and see 3 times 7, if we got a negative 21 and our 2 times 2 and a positive 4, and start piecing those together in the parenthesis would be a good move.